Hi, I want to show you a little trick how to repair a corrupted mp4 file like this one. It can be played by VLC media player. I got mine corrupted because my computer crashed while I'm recording with OBS Studio. So I found this little tool and trunk, which is free and open source. So just go ahead and download it. Choose a version suited for your operating system and extract anywhere you want. Choose the GUI version because it's easier to use, obviously, and click the reference file, which is a working mp4 file, just any working mp4 file. And click the trusted file, which is a corrupted one, and click repair. Wait until it's done. Now it's done. And the new mp4 file is generated. Let's try it.
Recording stop.
Now it can be played. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.